in the lap of the majestic Himalayas, where time weaves its stories through rings of ancient trees and the gentle flutter of silent wings, lies Environment Park, popularly known as Raika Park. Nestled near Jammu city, Raika Park thrives with rich biodiversity. It is a heaven where nature's voice isn't merely heard but profoundly understood. Unlike typical manicured gardens, this city forest embraces a naturally rugged landscape, offering visitors an authentic communion with nature. Raika Park delights every visitor, whether you're a bird enthusiast, a wildlife explorer, a morning jogger seeking solace, or simply someone longing for peace amid nature's tranquility. Its unique features include an inviting amphitheater for cultural gatherings, lush lawns complemented by an intriguing cactarium, and 2 scenic hiking trails waiting to be explored. For those captivated by delicate beauty, the Butterfly Park provides a magical display of colors. Near the Butterfly Park is the wetland replica to expose the visitors to the richness of the wetland ecosystem. Currently under development is an arboretum, promising future visitors an educational journey through a diverse collection of trees. The addition of new EcoVista to the park makes the visit not only entertaining but also educative. EcoVista is more than a museum. It is a doorway into nature's soul, a living tribute to the earth. At EcoVista, nature and culture walk hand in hand. EcoVista is divided into 3 chambers, each highlighting a distinct aspect of Jammu and Kashmir's natural and cultural heritage. Main chamber, a journey through the forest, is a tribute to the region's rich biodiversity, where nature and art entwine. It is home to 24 majestic trees, one of them 167 years old, seeds from 45 species, the Synergy of Soul sculpture, cross-sections of 32 trees and 30 diverse wood blocks, photographs of 21 birds, 19 butterflies, 32 insects, 18 medicinal plants, and 35 varieties of forest produce. History here is etched in circles, not scripts. Every ring here is a year of memories. In Central Chamber Wildlife and Remote Sensing Technology, the department maps the secrets of the wild, tracking animal movements, monitoring deforestation, and safeguarding rare species. Visitors here see 2 indigenous rocket models, antlers and horns of 4 animal species, photographs of 18 wildlife species, pug marks and footprints of 12 animals and bird species, and the country's symbols animal, flower, bird, and fruit. EcoVista tells stories not found in textbooks of hongals and Himalayan brown bears, of snow leopards and pheasants, rare, majestic, and deeply ours. Mini Chamber Forest Treasure unveils the region's cultural and natural wealth. From the aromatic splendor of 9 traditional cuisines, including the iconic Vazwan, to the deep earth secrets of 12 key rocks and minerals, every element echoes the richness of the land. Witness 15 enchanting tourist spots, admire locally crafted art and handloom wonders, and discover serenity in 12 picturesque forest rest houses. Here, sustainability is not a lesson, it's a legacy sacred and soulful. This is EcoVista, where nature speaks and we listen. To capture memories of your visit, a thoughtfully designed selfie point awaits, ensuring your moments at Raika Park remain unforgettable.